Tell me, Gingy, what you have to say?
Chill! Chill!
Hey, don't scream, don't scream. It's not nice to scream. What do you do?
Chill!
Cheese. Oh. Guys, how long you work in moving?
8 hours. 8 hours.
Hey, how long? No.
Huh?
No, how long? For me, you're gonna get only 4 hours. That's what you're gonna get from me. But how long? How many years?
It's first time.
You kidding me?
Yeah, first time.
No, Billy, I don't believe you.
First time.
They told me that you know.
No, I do it all.
Yeah.
You do it all the time. What's your name, man?
Ken,
Where you from?
I'm from here.
What is here? Where are we?
College Station.
Where?
College
College
Station.
Where is that? Missouri?
Texas A&M Aggies.
Why?
The Aggies. I know you've heard of Texas A&M. It's right down the street.
All right. And
Bryan
this
College Station.
fellow. Hey, fellow. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy? And you, big boy? Hey, big boy. What's your name?
Regina.
Regina?
Yeah, I ain't wanted or nothing.
You wanted, I know.
I'm not.
That's why I'm taking a picture,
I'm
man.
not wanted by the FBI.
Who you
yeah.
wanted by? Your wife. You wanted by your wife.
By my grandkids.
Wow.
Yeah.
Smile,
Tired
man.
of the motherfucker too.
Smile, man.
Can't even work shit out of me.
That's my